Hello and welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to remove the background of any image with AI, completely free in just a few seconds. No Photoshop, no Canva Pro, no sign up, no login, no payment. And not only that, we will also show you a second method that does something Canva and Photoshop cannot easily do, which is replace the background with anything you want using AI. Both methods are 100% free and live on .com. Before we get into it, let us talk about why this matters. For years, if you wanted to remove a background from an image, you had two main options. The first was Photoshop. Photoshop is powerful, but doing it manually with the pen tool or the lasso takes time, and even the AI features inside Photoshop require you to have a subscription, open a heavy program, and learn the interface. The second option was Canva. Canva has a one-click background remover that works well, but here is the catch. It is locked behind Canva Pro. If you are on the free plan, you click the button and you hit a paywall. Canva Pro costs around $13 a month, which is over $150 a year just to remove backgrounds from your photos. Both tools also have another problem. Even if you are paying for them, you have to open the app, sign in, wait for it to load, find the right menu, and only then start working. That is productive time gone before you have even touched the image. That is why we are going to show you how to do this on AI Free Forever instead. The tool is in your browser, takes a few seconds, and is completely free with no account required. So let us get started. Go to aifreeforever.com. On the homepage, scroll down to the section that says Remove Background and click the button to open the tool. The direct link is aifreeforever.com/background remover, and we will also leave it in the description so you can jump straight to it. Once the tool opens, you will see a clean interface. There is a title that says Remove Image Background, a short description, and then an upload box that says click to upload your image. It accepts JPG, PNG, and WebP files up to 10 megabytes, which is more than enough for almost any photo from your phone or computer. Right under the upload box, there is a drop-down labeled background type. This is where you choose what you want behind your subject after the background is removed. You can pick transparent, which gives you a clean PNG with no background at all and is perfect for layering into other designs. You can pick white, which is what most product sellers want for Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Shopify listings. Or you can pick a custom color or background type depending on what you need. For this demo, we will go with transparent since it is the most flexible. Now we click Upload, choose the image from our computer, leave the background type on transparent, and hit the Remove button. About 15 to 30 seconds later, the result appears on the screen. The background is gone. The edges around the subject are clean, the hair detail is preserved, and there is a download button right under the result. One click and the cutout saves to your device as a high-resolution PNG. That is the entire first method. 3 clicks, 30 seconds, no watermark, no sign up. Now here is where it gets even better. This first method removes the background, but it cannot do anything creative with it. You get a cutout and that is it. If you want to actually replace the background with something else, like swap a plain wall behind your product for a luxury studio backdrop, the first tool cannot do that on its own. You would have to take the cutout and composite it somewhere else. That is where the second method comes in, and honestly, this is the one we like the most. Still on AI Free Forever, navigate to aifreeforever.com/image-generators. The link is also in the description. This is the AI image generator section, and the trick is to use the edit feature. Click on Edit, upload your image, and then in the prompt box you describe exactly what you want done with the background. You can type things like, replace the background with a clean white studio backdrop, or change the background to a marble surface with soft lighting, or put this product on a wooden table with natural light. Whatever you can describe in words, the AI will try to generate. Let us try a real example. We will upload a product photo. For this demo, we have a sneaker shot taken at home on a messy desk with bad lighting. Not a great shot for selling anything. We upload it, and in the prompt box we type, replace the background with a clean white studio backdrop, soft shadow under the shoe, professional product photography lighting. We hit generate and wait. About 20 seconds later, the result loads. The sneaker is now sitting on a clean white studio background with a soft natural shadow underneath. The lighting looks professional and the shoe itself is untouched. It looks like a photo you would pay a studio $200 to take. We hit download and the new image is saved. Let us try one more. Same sneaker, different prompt. We type, put the shoe on a polished marble surface with warm sunset lighting coming from the left. 20 seconds later, completely different image. Same shoe, marble surface, warm light, ready to use. You can keep regenerating with different prompts until you get exactly the look you want. That is something Canva and Photoshop cannot do without serious manual work. A few things worth knowing before you start. Both tools accept JPG, PNG, and WebP files. There is no daily limit on the basic background remover, so you can run as many images as you need in one sitting. The downloads have no watermark. The images save in high resolution, and you never have to create an account. Now let us talk about who actually uses this and what for, because once you have a tool like this in your back pocket, you will start finding uses everywhere. If you sell on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, or any online marketplace, this is a game changer. You can take a phone photo of your product on your kitchen table and turn it into a clean white background listing photo that looks like a professional studio shot. That is the difference between a listing that sells and one that gets ignored. If you run a dropshipping store, you can take supplier photos that all have different messy backgrounds and standardize every single one in minutes. If you are a real estate agent, you can clean up property photos, remove distracting objects, or even replace dull skis with bright blue ones to make a listing pop. If you are a thumbnail designer or YouTuber, you know that almost every good thumbnail starts with a clean cutout of a face or object placed on a punchy background. This tool gives you that cutout in seconds. No more spending 20 minutes per thumbnail on the pen tool. If you are a graphic designer, social media manager, or content creator, you can pull subjects out of stock photos and drop them into your own compositions. If you run an Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest account, you can keep your feed visually consistent by giving all your photos the same background style. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next one. We are putting out free AI tutorials every week. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.